Day 47. Welcome back, guys. Day 47 of my dumbbell exercises. I am feeling amazing. I don't know how else to say it. I went to my doctor last night, yesterday afternoon, Monday. She drew some blood, and we won't have the results of that for a couple of days. But I want to say something here. I did a video that I'm not doing any pre-workouts or post-workout juices or any of that crap. My doctor did recommend that I start taking creatine monohydrate in particular. And I told her, I said, look, I've seen all the videos of the guys saying, you know, you need to take creatine. It'll give you a pump. It'll make your muscles bigger and all that. That's not what I'm looking for. And she said, listen, there's been over 600 peer-reviewed studies on creatine. It's the most studied supplement on the planet. Your body naturally produces creatine. You get creatine out of the meat you're eating. She goes, but at your age, your body's not producing enough. She goes, I already know it's not. It happens in older people. Your body just slows down the production of creatine. She goes, creatine is used improperly will make you retain a lot of water in your muscles. So they'll look a lot puffier and a lot bigger than they actually are. Used properly, it helps repair micro tears in your muscles. It helps with the creation of ATP, which is the molecule your muscles actually feed on. And she said it helps with cognitive function, memory, and reaction times and things like that. She said, you ride a motorcycle. And she goes, you know, as you get older, your reaction times slow down. She goes, think of it this way. You take a multivitamin to supplement your food because you're not getting enough vitamins from your food. And I said, right. She goes, so if you're supplementing with creatine monohydrate, 1 scoop a day, she goes, there's a little scoop in there, it's 5 milligrams. 1 level scoop a day, that's it. She goes, you're not over supplementing. She goes, you're just supplementing the creatine that your body's not creating anymore and that you're not getting enough from your food. So I said, okay. And then I talked to her about, I've been having a lot of cramps in this hamstring back here. And only when I'm walking, though. It doesn't happen if I'm sleeping. It doesn't happen if I'm riding my motorcycle. It doesn't happen if I'm sitting. You know, most people that get cramps in their hamstrings or something, it's usually when they're sitting down. It only happens when I'm walking. And she said it may be that I have been fighting with low sodium my entire life. I can eat so much salt that I can put so much salt on a steak that it's just white and eat that, and I still have low sodium. I just piss out all my sodium for some reason. So she said I may need to start doing an electrolyte drink. And I said, well, I do that. When I'm out on my bike all day in this heat, I'll drink a Powerade throughout the day while I'm out in that heat all day. She knows I'm not dehydrating or anything else. I'm fine there. But she said that Powerade only provides you with like 4 electrolytes. What is it? Sodium, potassium, calcium, and there's one other one I can't remember. Magnesium. She goes, and usually it's not enough. So she wants me to get the same electrolyte powder that I had when I was ill and I was rebuilding all my electrolytes. She wants me to get that again and start drinking at least 1 bottle of that a day. She said that'll most likely take care of the cramping in the legs because I'm not getting enough electrolytes. And that may also improve my ability to retain more sodium, and sodium is very important for your muscles and your heart function and everything else. So she said she wants me to get that, so I'm going to get that. But in the meantime, I took my first scoop of creatine monohydrate this morning, and you know, it has no flavor at all. It has zero flavor. And I know I've seen a bunch of things about adding it to a protein shake or something like that. I just took the scoop, leveled it off, put it in my mouth, and took a drink. It's zero flavor. And she told me that if I'm going to do that, that I might have some stomach irritation from it, but I don't. It's been 2 hours. I don't have any stomach irritation from it. So I'm fine. I can do that every morning. And so now when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do is take a multivitamin. I pop that down, and then I'll take my 1 scoop of creatine and put it in my mouth and take a drink, and that'll be it. So I'm just supplementing the creatine that I'm not getting. I'm not getting enough creatine from the meat I'm eating, and my body's not producing enough. So she said that just 1 scoop a day, and I said, well, I've seen a lot of videos where they're telling you you need to load up. You need to use like 4, 5, 6 scoops every day for the first 7 days. She goes, yeah, that's why they get all puffy and they look like they've built a lot of muscle in a week, and it's all water weight. She goes, don't do that. Just take it like a supplement. 1 scoop a day. That's all you need. So that's what I'm doing. Tuesday morning, day 47, I've been working my thumb. Let me tell you something. When I wake up in the morning, I can't move this thumb. I have to really, it hurts like hell every day. I have to force this thumb to bend every single day. When I wake up in the morning, it's straight out like this and it's stiff, and I can barely get it to bend like that. So I really have to work it every morning, and it takes about an hour to get my thumb to bend enough to where I can hold on to my weight. So this will be my first workout of the morning. One final note. You'll notice I'm a little more trimmed. So normally I trim my beard on Saturday, beard, nose hair, ear hair, takes about 10 minutes. And then I'll trim my hair on Sunday, takes about 10 minutes. Funny thing, I ran into a customer at Walmart the other day. Last week, actually, and he was like, dude, he goes, I got to tell you, you must spend a fortune going to the barber. And I said, what are you talking about? And he goes, you always look the same. He says, I have to go in about once every 2 weeks or whatever and get a haircut. And he says, he says, it'll start getting shaggy and out of control and everything. And he says, everybody notices when I go get a haircut. They're like, wow, you got a haircut. Yeah, He said, you always look exactly the same. I said, yeah, because I take care of myself. I don't spend money on the barber. I spend money on tools I need to take care of myself. I'm not going to go pay somebody $80 or $100 to run a set of clippers over my beard. I can do that myself. So anyway, yesterday I was a little scraggly looking because I wanted you to see what I look like if I don't maintain myself. And I don't know if you caught that in yesterday's video, but I was a little scraggly. My hair was a little bit longer. My hair grows really fast, so I have to trim it every week. And my beard grows fast. So there you have it. Tuesday. I did all my trimming and everything yesterday, but I didn't do it before I did my workout because I wanted you to see me a little more scraggly. All right, day 47. Let's get this day going. I love you guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Oh, that hand still hurts. All right. It's not getting any easier to do 15 reps. So I don't know if I'm plateauing or I don't know. I'll see what happens, but I was going to add more meat to my diet, more protein, but my doctor said, let's wait till we get the blood results back and go from there. But she said, I do want you to add in some creatine, and I do want you to get that electrolyte powder that I had recommended previously. And so I'll be getting that pretty soon. And it's just a powder. You mix 1 scoop in a thing of water and shake it up. And it's got, it's got every electrolyte your body needs, plus vitamins and minerals and soluble fiber and things like that. It literally has everything your body needs. So I'll be getting that electrolyte powder pretty soon, and I'll be using that. And I might, no, I won't. I was thinking I might mix my creatine in with that electrolyte, but with me, I will drink that electrolyte in the evening to replenish me after sweating all day out in the heat. I'll be taking my creatine in the morning with my multivitamin. So I won't be mixing that creatine in with my electrolyte. I was thinking that might be a good idea, but no. By the way, that's my text message, my phone. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, it's funny, as I was doing those last exercises, I was thinking, I'm not plateauing at all, because my presses are easier. I could probably do more. My lat pulls are easier. I could probably do more. The triceps are easier. I could probably do more. Roughly 150 beats. A little more than I'm used to. I think it'll be all right. Anyway, I'm not plateauing. It's just this hand hindering me on doing my curls. And it's always the right arm. It affects my entire arm. So I'll be fine. In the meantime, that's enough for today. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. I will see you on Wednesday.